Okay, so let's write down what we know. We're told that Nina, Matthew, and Jared ran for student council president, and the votes are in a ratio of 2 to 4 to 1 in that order of Nina, Matthew to Jared. It's very important that we write the ratio in the correct order of the people. So it's a ratio of 2 to 4 to 1 for the votes. Okay? Now, we are also told that we're told the number of votes he actually got. Who are we told got 132 votes?
Matthew.
Good. So I'm going to do this. And we're going to fill it in. He got 132 votes. Do we know how many votes Nina got? No, we don't. Do we know how many votes Jared got?
No.
We're trying to figure out an equivalent ratio. So look here. Just give me a second. So we're going to write out 2 to 4 to 1. And we're trying to find equivalent ratios. We don't know Nina's. But we do know Matthew's is 132. Right? So to get from here to here, we're going to figure out how we got from 4 to 132. Because that's our clue, right? Whatever we did here to get from 4 to 132, we're going to do to the other numbers. And we don't know Jared. I'm going to use green. So, just hold on. We're going from 4 to 132. These two go together, right? 4 and 132. Is the number getting smaller or larger from 4 to 132? So we know we're going to multiply or divide then if it's getting larger. 4 times something gives us 132. If you can't do that in your head and you're not sure, work backwards. What's the opposite of multiplication? So we're going to take 132 and divide it by 4. Figure out how many times 4 goes into 132. So can we say that 4 times 33 will get us to 132? Yes? If I multiply this number by 33, so 4 times 33 is 132, what do I have to multiply every other number by to make sure that they're equal, they're equivalent? 33. So we're going to multiply 2 times 33 to get Nina's results. What's 2 times 33? And I'm going to multiply 1 times 33 to get Jared's results. What's 1 times 33? 33. And this was 66. So the question said, how many votes did Nina get? Nina got how many votes? 66 votes. And B, how many votes did Jared get? Good. So to figure out the unknown, you have to work backwards. You have to work with the known. I need to figure out how to get from here to here. So, look here. Shh. We can use the two numbers that were given. We went from 3 to 6. Remember, you have to do it in the correct order. My second term is 3 and my second term is 6. I'll do this one for you and then you can try the other ones. How do you get from 3 to 6? 3 times what is 6? 2. So if they multiply the second term by 2, what do you have to do to the first term? Same thing, multiply by 2. If you multiply one term by 2, you have to do the exact same thing to the other term, otherwise they're not equivalent. So what's 5 times 2? That's it. So we can write this as a fraction. 5 over 3 equals 10 over 6, right? 3 times 2, 5 times 2, are those equal? If I want to rewrite this as a fraction, I would put in order. Unknown on top over 8 equals, in order, 40 over 32. It might be easier for you to do it this way as a fraction, whatever you'd like. You worked backwards for this one. You did 32 divided by 4 is 8. Excellent. You did the same thing with 40. So you had to divide by 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10. To put in lowest terms, so I can write it as a fraction. Instead of writing 3 to 21, I can put 3 over 21 equals 15 over something. How do we get from 3 to 15? Multiply or divide? Times 5, so I have to do the same thing to the denominator. What's 21 times 5? 105. That's it. That's the answer. We're just looking for equivalent ratios.